I just got the CRAFTSMAN V20 half-inch 20-volt variable speed cordless hammer drill from Lowe's. It was $98.98. So here's the bit set that came with it. It's a 21-piece set for wood, metal, PVC, and a 1/4-inch shank. Here's the hammer drill itself. It has a 3-year warranty. It says it's 280 max dual power, 25,500 max BPM, and it's ready for masonry drilling. It also has 2 batteries and a charger. There's the left side of the box, basically says the same thing. There's the right side of the box, it shows all the other CRAFTSMAN tools. You can use these batteries and the other CRAFTSMAN tools. Bottom of the box shows the same thing. Here on the back of the box, we have our warning for our battery. Make sure you keep it in safe temperatures or it will explode. Some more detailed information about the drill. All right, let's open it up and check it out. All right, let's take our knife and cut off the tape. Here inside the box, we have our 20-volt battery. It says CRAFTSMAN on the side. It says 20-volt lithium-ion battery. Same thing on the other side. Has your top and your fins to attach, and it'll lock on, and you have your release button there. Power indicator in the front. It says CRAFTSMAN on the bottom with some information. Here's the hammer drill itself. See, it has the hammer logo on the side, CRAFTSMAN logo. There's a look from the back, same thing on the other side. You can adjust it. It's set to speed 1 initially. So it has 1 through 21, drill mode, then hammer mode. You also have 1 and 2. Put that to the side. Got some cardboard there. Behind that cardboard, we have our charger here. There's our CRAFTSMAN wall charger. It's good for 12-volt and 20-volt lithium-ion batteries. Got your power indicators there. Your fins to attach the battery there. There's a quick look at the bottom with some extra information. All right, there's a look from the side, front, the other side, and power cord is attached to it. Next up in the box, we have our other battery. Exactly is the same as the first one we took out of the box. CRAFTSMAN 20-volt battery. Looks like it came with a bit in there. We have our user manual and a wireless certification safety sheet. All right, let's charge these batteries and try it out. Plug the battery charger into the wall. Slide the battery out. The light is blinking, so the battery is charging. Let's come back when it's done. All right, our battery is fully charged. Took around an hour to charge. You can see we have the solid light. We have the solid green light indicating it was charged. Take that battery out of there and slide it right into the fins at the bottom of the drill. Snap it in just like so. And we are good to go. LED on the front here. We have our button on the side here to make it go clockwise. Push it in, counterclockwise. All right, let's open up our bits here. Just cut open that box with some scissors. And we have our extension bit right there. Rip the rest of that plastic off. All right, here inside we have our case. All right, there's our drill bit set. Close it up for now. Try it out in a little bit. There's the back of the case. Now let's try the drill out.
put this next screw in. Then the front screw. I'm going to use the 5/32 bit to make a hole before I put in the anchor. Now that we have our hole pre-drilled, we're going to put in our final anchor. Let's take the top one out. So just drill out the new holes. And then insert the new screws. Put in the top screw. I'm going to put in the bottom screw. Looks good.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.